In this video, I'll show you how to pay with Afterpay on the Best Buy app, step by step. Now, the first thing you need to know is that Best Buy does not directly support Afterpay as a payment option inside their app. Instead, Best Buy mainly supports other buy now pay later services, so if you want to pay with Afterpay, the way to do it is by using a Best Buy gift card purchased through Afterpay. To start, open the Afterpay app or go directly to the official Afterpay site and log into your account. Once you're logged in, look for the section where you can browse or search for brands. In the search bar, type Best Buy and select it from the results. From here, choose the option to buy a Best Buy gift card. Next, select the amount you want on the gift card. Afterpay will show you how that total is split into 4 payments, so you can review the breakdown before continuing. Confirm the purchase, follow the prompts to complete checkout, and once the payment is approved, you'll receive the Best Buy gift card code, usually by email or directly inside the Afterpay app. Now open the Best Buy app on your phone and start shopping like normal. Add the items you want to your cart, then head to checkout. When you get to the payment section, look for the option to apply a gift card. Enter the Best Buy gift card code you purchased with Afterpay and apply it to your order. The balance will automatically be deducted from your total. If the gift card covers the full amount, you're done. If there's a remaining balance, you can pay the difference using another accepted payment method in the Best Buy app. Complete the checkout, and that's it. You've successfully paid with Afterpay on the Best Buy app using a gift card. And just a quick reminder, since you're handling payments and gift card codes on your phone, it's smart to keep your connection secure. I recommend NordVPN for extra protection, and there's a link in the description where you can try it risk-free for a great price.